1. Paramount's private movie theater, where they hold premieres and screenings. 2. If the shooting schedule allows it, you may get to go inside sound stages and see sets for shows. 3. You might even see a star or two, but if you don't watch a lot of network television shows, you might not recognize them. Don't expect this to happen, just consider it a nice bonus if it does. 4. Paramount's property includes the old RKO/Desilu lot where the classic comedy I Love Lucy was produced. Lucy Park is a hit with its fans. The small, landscaped area looks just like Lucille Ball's Beverly Hills backyard and has a replica of her New York apartment, too, so she could take publicity photographs there with her children without ever having to leave the lot. 5. Other highlights on tour include Forrest Gump's bench and the Bronson Gate, where actor Charles Bronson got his name. It's also the place where Norma Desmond entered the lot in the 1950 film Sunset Boulevard. 6. You will also tour Paramount's extensive backlot, which is used for filming exterior scenes and includes sections that look like parts of New York and Chicago.